Hello, I'm Carolina Mendez, the real estate agent in Florida. I want to show you this property, which is a seasonal rental for 6 months. So starting now till December 2020. I want to show you the view to the pool from the living room. So this is what it looks like. This is one bedroom, one bathroom apartment. And it includes electricity, cable, and Wi-Fi. Sliding doors, so you can just jump on the pool. Today is a little cloudy outside, so let me show you the bedroom with lots of closets. And then I'm going to show you the bathroom. So if you are interested in a property like this in Pompano Beach, just 2 blocks from the beach and the ocean, just give me a call, 954-918-3870, and I'll be happy to arrange showings.